Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this cool product. This is a chin strap for sleeping and snoring. I will send this product for review. So let me open the back and I will show you. Okay. First of all, I love the quality. It's very durable, great material, washable actually. So the size is adjustable. What you have to do, just place it under your chin, right here. And just close it here. Okay. And the back. It's so comfortable, I don't even feel it actually. It comes with this accessory, so you can change extra clothing, so you can adjust size if it's not enough for you. Like if you need a bigger size, you can adjust it here. So this is how it's look like. It's very lightweight, great soft material, not even bother me. So cool. Very comfortable. Like it, guys. Friends, if you're looking for a cool product to help you with snoring while sleeping, I will definitely recommend you to check this strap. You can find this product on Amazon.